go, dude. Look at this spot, bro. I can't believe this. This shit's crazy. Be careful, dude. Be careful. Oh, shit, no! Oh, that was so scary. No, my friend Mason! Oh, it's scary, dude. Just jumping off, like you see me, like I didn't jump right away. I was scared to jump. Scary, dude. We're at Ghost Rock. Oh, there's a toothbrush. Oh, you just busted your shit, dude. How'd you do that? How did you just do that? Leave me alone. You alright? Get this shit on my face! I don't know how you just did that.
I tripped over a rock, dude.
You alright, G?
It hurts.
Are you alright, G? It did look like it hurt. It looked like it might have hurt a little bit. Hey, at least you're still okay, though. Krista and Elvino.
I hurt my back, like I fell on my, like so many rocks in my back.
Oh, look at the cliff. Definitely no running, Kyle, when you're like around here, you know? Oh.
If I just like fell and like rolled down the entire cliff.
Oh yeah?
Oh, yeah.
Woo! We in the club.
I've never seen anything like this. We make meth, bro.
We're like Heisenberg. We come out here. Walter White. Be careful right here, dude. I don't know if this, like, who knows how thin these rocks are. Slide out. Let's go this way, though. Like.
Oh, damn, I got mad, like, bullshit.
Got some grass stains. I like how you fall right after we were talking about, too, like, about, like, not pushing it just in case.
I mean, I fell on a stupid ass spot, though. Like,
Yeah.
I was walking down a small incline.
This is sick, dude. Be careful where we step. Maybe like.
Jesus Christ.
Kyle, just like look down. I have an idea for a really cool video, Kyle. I stand right here, like at the ledge. I'm right here, Kyle. I'm like right here, and you're behind me. And I go, oh, and I fall.
And then you fall onto here?
Yeah. I'm gonna jump. I'm just gonna be like, oh, and just fall, jump onto it.
Like if you land right here, just be careful because you can easily go that way, you know?
No, I'll be good. I'm gonna jump like kind of. Oh shit. Okay, here, stay right here.
It's like being on the edge.
This raptor is so cool, dude.
Yeah, this is
They like, someone welded that.
Yeah.
That's a welded, I got that picture to Abe.
No, that's actually really nice. Like I've seen other shit that people welded like that, and it does not look that good.
That is sick.